How you doing? This is Chris with ActiVan Conversions. We're here at the Adventure Van Expo in Lake Tahoe. Got the Nomadic Cooling Co. X3 Pro unit. Love the Nomadic units. We use them in all of our builds. Absolutely love the flush design on the ceiling, how energy efficient they are, product support. Go check them out, Nomadic Innovations. So why would you need AC? So having AC off the grid is integral to your travels in your van. So Nomadic Cooling does a great job with their air conditioning unit. It being able to run off the grid at a low energy consumption, it's a phenomenal unit. I think it's a must, really, in all of your van travels. Pets, having an air conditioner is a must. Keep your furry folks happy in the van. Ceiling fans won't do a good enough job to keep up with the cooling needs your pets need in the van. So air conditioner is an absolute must. So we're ActiVan Conversions. We're out of Reno, Nevada. We do about 25 custom bespoke builds a year. What you see here, we do the Sprinter platform, so the 144, 170, 170 extended. We love our warm finishes. We have a variety of floor plans, so we can do like a full indoor shower here, kitchen stays on this side, or you can move the kitchen onto this side. Really, it's super configurable to whatever the customer wants to do. Got the lift bed installed on this van. Happy Jack lift bed. Bed goes all the way up to the ceiling so that you have your nice dinette lounge space under the van. Got our shop dog Luna under there chilling. Super nice option if you want to sleep 4 people inside the van. You can find us www.activanconversions.com and also social at the.actives.